Ki nong hikai ke SSA jong ka state haka khadrutrik romphang kala pentip baka sarkar kala priang ya kejingdawa jong ki ben pentrai kam no ya kejibun ki ya kutulom sha ki nong hikai SSA habakran siglat patai ke board u president ke MSSA uba Aristotle Rambai uloong u director jong ka state education mission authority of Meghalaya ula pentip shaki baka tanat puli puthi kala ptha yu ben penkhre ya kejingtrawa halor ki jingdawa jong ka seng bat benra ya katai kamat syaka executive committee jongka sima
nakaliang jongka education department kala aptha yu ban penkre ya ka proposal bat hadin ba ula de penkre ya ka proposal halor kani ka jingdawa jongi kata ka kade ka salary structure bat kumjuru ban kentiu ya ka tulop jong kino hikai SSA hadin ba de penkre ya ka proposal un pa pat lani un wanra hapo ka executive committee jongka State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Yakani ka executive committee lakli dau chief secretary kum chairman but kum juru vice chairman dau principal secretary jongka education department. But ki members hapo jongka ni ka executive committee kidaina ki principal secretary jongka planning department principal secretary jongka finance department but QA ki officer ni ki department prepare pi kani ka executive committee jongka simam ya kani committee ki la constitute kat kum ka shithi la ni ka notification ka bala pha napo ka ministry of education ha ka khatartrik jong upnai september 2000 khatpra bakino kino ki proposal ki bayade bat kani ka scheme samagra shiksha abhiyan lah kadai ban kentiu yak tulop jong kino hikai lah kadai ban upgrade yaki school bat ki benta ki bayade bat kani ka scheme samagra shiksha abhiyan kadai ban wan lengba kani ka executive committee te hadin bala yo yak approval na kani ka executive committee jo ka simam kin sapha pat chapo ministry of education ban yo yak approval na po ka project approval board nakaliang jong director base halor ki guidelines but ki framework jong ka samagra shiksha abhiyan but kumjuro kat kum ka jingpatha na po education department ulai tho yingi ba nakaliang education department kala thai u ban penkre ya proposal but unwanra ya kani ka proposal hapo jong kani ka executive committee jong ka simam ka ban salong ha ubnai march but hakani ka executive committee kin sa ayak approval but hadin bala yo ayak approval kumamane kin sa pat chapo ministry of education government of India banyo ya ka jimenjur naka project approval board kata kalong ka ba nongkong ka ba nakaliang jungi asyon ngi kwa ban penseo shapi ka ba arpan nakaliang jungi asyon ka ba mi khmat ikino hika SSA hapo ka jila Meghalaya ngi penpau ya ka jisungo ya director jong ka school education and literacy jong Meghalaya ubalong ro state project director ba ula shimkhya ya kani ka jingdawa jongi pat kumjuro ya education minister isala kmen rembui ba ila consider biang ya kani ka jingdawa jo ka seng ban pentrikam ya ka salary structure pat kumjuro ban kentiu ya ka tulop jong kino hikai SSA ki badon hapo ka jila Meghalaya kumba 4000 sanspa Southway ngut kebalai pan nagaling jungi asosian ngibo ka jing kerpat ya boro kino hikai SSA hapo ka jala Meghalaya bakin yaisha shipor bat ka association kat ba nakaliang jong ka government kadang penkre hakabaya de bat kini proposal pat kumjuro ban wanra hapo ka executive committee jong ka simam ban yo ya ka approval pat kumjuro ban pha chapo ka ministry of education government of India ban yo ya ka jing menjur na ka project approval board